Most people spend 40 years building someone else's dream, but if you follow the right blueprint, you can build your own empire in just 12 months. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a strategic attack on your current reality. Today, we are revealing the billionaires' 12-month plan to financial freedom. Months 1 to 3, the foundation. Stop consuming and start learning. You must master one high-income skill. Whether it's high-ticket sales, digital marketing, or coding, your goal is to increase your value to the market. Stop trading time for peanuts. Start trading results for fortunes. Months 4 to 6, the execution. Launch your first side business or investment portfolio. Don't wait for perfection. Perfection is a poor man's excuse. The elite start before they are ready and adjust as they go. Use your new skill to generate your first independent dollar. Months 7 to 9, the scaling. This is where you move from working in the business to owning the business. Automate your processes and delegate tasks. The goal isn't to work more, it's to build a system that works without you. Months 10 to 12, the mastery. Now that you have cash flow, you must protect it. Move your profits into asset stocks, real estate, and private equity. This is how you stop working for money and start letting money work for you. 12 months of discipline can buy you a lifetime of freedom. Are you ready to start month 1? Subscribe to Wealth Visionary 26 and let's begin your transformation today.